Friends, already we saw the what is the meaning of transversal, and due to the transversal which type of angles will form, that already we saw in the previous lecture. Now first type of angle that one is formed are the corresponding angle. If I will say that what is the meaning of corresponding angle and how many pairs of the corresponding are there, the four pair of corresponding angles are present in the when transversal will intersect the any two lines, that time four pair of the angles will form. And already separately I showed this pair of the angles, this corresponding angles, four pairs are this A and E is the first pair, and this B and F are the second pair, this D and H are the third pair, and C and G are the fourth pair. These are the four pair of the corresponding angle. But what is the definition of corresponding angle? The definition of corresponding angle is if arms on the transversal of the pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms on the same side of the transversal, then it is called the pair of the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means this transversal, one arm of the angle is present on the transversal and another arms on the same side of the transversal. So this angle has two arms. This one is one arm and this one is another arm. This one is one arm, this one is the another arm. This one of the arms are present on the transversal and the another arms show the same direction toward the transversal. So these angles are called as the corresponding angle. First pair is angle A and angle E, because this will show on the same side, this will show the same direction. These angles are called as the corresponding angle. Downside also this angle and this angle are the corresponding angle, B and F. I will say that second pair is angle B and angle F. Then here if you will go to this is the right side, this one is the left side. In the right side, A and E is the first pair and B and F are the second pair. Toward the left side, which are the pairs? This D and H, like A and E, this D and H are the next pair. So I will say that angle D and angle H is the first pair. Which is the second pair? This downside, this angle C and angle G, like this angle B and angle F, you have to say that angle C and angle G, this is the fourth pair. This type of the four pair of angles will form. So I will say that A and E. Here you have to say that B and F. Then you have to say that this D and H, and you have to say that C and G. These are the four pair of corresponding angle. And the definition of the corresponding angle, this you have to write in the basic book. He is given here. What is given that you have to see? The definition is that if the arms on the transversal of the pair of the angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal, then it is called the pair of corresponding angles. Everybody understand this definition? Only you have to keep in your mind that if this transversal will intersect the two parallel lines, at that time this type of angles, this A and E, B and F, D and H and C and G are the angles called as the corresponding angles. Then here write the corresponding angles of the following. You have to identify the corresponding angle, and in only one figure you have to write the corresponding pair. First of all, you have to say the corresponding angle to the right side of the transversal. Which is the first pair? First pair is, what you have to say? Y and Q. Second pair is Z and R. Z and R. Z and R. Third pair is X and P, and next pair is W and S. So in the same manner I will write in the right side the angles are angle Y and angle Q. Second pair is angle Z and angle R. Angle Y and angle Q, angle Z and angle R. Then third pair angle X and angle P. fourth pair angle W and angle S. These are the four pair. This is the transversal T, this is line L, and this is line M. This transversal T intersect line L and line M in two distinct points. These are the two distinct points, and due to the intersection these 2 points, the 4 angle upside and 4 angle downsides will form. But we have to identify the corresponding angle. Due to the transversal, this Y and Q, Z and R, X and P, W and S are the corresponding pair. But if you want to read the pair of the corresponding angle, in this figure if you want to read the pair of the corresponding angle by reading the angle by 3 letters, at that time how you have to read? Who will say the first pair? I will say that this is the first pair, this angle and this angle is the first pair. How you have to read? You have to start with any arrow end. So this arrow I will start. I will read this angle as angle ABC, angle ABC, and angle. You have to read this angle. You have to start with the arrow end. So you have to say that HFB, HFB. Second pair you have to read. Second pair you have to say that this angle and this angle. How you have to read this angle? CBF, angle CBF, and angle CBF and angle HFG, HFG. Then you have to read this angle. This angle is angle ABD, angle ABD, and angle ABD and angle, what you have to say? EFB, angle EFB. You have to write the fourth pair of angles. This angle you have to say. This angle you have to say. Angle DBF, angle DBF, angle DBF, and angle EFG. These are the four pair of the corresponding angle will form. So you have to try to understand and try to read this angle by 3 letters. If you will read this angle as ABC or CBA, angle is one and same. So if this pair, if you will keep the finger like this, at that time angle ABC and angle CBA and angle HFB is the one of the pair. Second pair, angle CBF and angle HFG is the second pair. Then you have to read this circle angle. So you have to say that angle ABD and angle, what you have to say? EFB. Otherwise angle DBA and angle EFB is the third pair. And fourth pair, angle DBF and angle EFG is the fourth pair. In this way you have to read the corresponding angle. I think you understand these things. You have to draw the separate figures by using the pencil and the scale, and you have to write all these things properly in the notebook. Thank you.